Hey guys, what's going on? Are you ready for dish number 2? These are Thanksgiving side dishes. Before we get to the turkey, we did the wasabi mashed potatoes last episode. We're doing the roasted Brussels sprouts with a little bit of maple thrown in, a little bit of salt, a little bit of bacon. We're going to roast those. So come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. If you never had Brussels sprouts, they're really good. We're going to cut them in half. They have a sweetness all by themselves. If you've never tried them, I would just salt them a little bit and just steam them and try them out. Your fork should be able to pierce the Brussels sprouts when they're done. They should be fork tender. But today's episode, we're going to cut them in half. Then we're going to roast them to where they get a little crispy on the outside. So we're going to use salt. We're going to use Brussels sprouts. We have some hickory smoked bacon. And then we got a little maple syrup. This is organic. This is an organic brand. So we'll be trying all that out on a cookie sheet, sticking it in the oven and putting it on roast. All right, first thing I need you to do is to cut this bottom part off. Get rid of that. Second thing I need you to do is cut it in half. Okay? You can do that with every single Brussels sprout. Okay, this is going to get a little bit messy, but we've got all our cut up Brussels sprouts. You can use a hand, you can use a glove on your hand, whatever you want to do. I'm going to get my ingredients together here. Take a little bit of organic maple syrup. Spread it all over. I'll add the bacon right on top. I'd mix this up, get everything coated. Bacon coated, Brussels sprouts coated. When you see a good coating on everything, then we'll go to the next step. Then you got it all laid out. There we go. Take a little bit of the salt. I'm using kosher salt. Shake it all around. Remember, the bacon's going to be a little bit salty. The salt's just for flavor. Okay, we just pulled it out of the oven right now. The bacon's been cooked. The pieces of Brussels sprout, they have brown kind of insides. You can see where the edge of the leaves are turning crispy. So you want to mix this up just a little bit. Still hot. Just came out. Just kind of get this tossed around. Toss around the maple. Maple syrup is at the bottom. It's kind of sticky. Okay, we got one more side dish after this to show you. Then we're going to be popping the turkey on the smoker. So be ready for that episode. That's coming up. All right, let's grab a piece of bacon and a nice roasted piece of asparagus. Simple, dirt easy dish that's absolutely delicious and will be one of the first to go. All right? Try this out, put it on roast, put it in the oven, roast it while you're out smoking a turkey or getting the rest of your dinner ready. Make it the night before if you have to. But this is beautiful. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching. I love you guys. Hope you're having a good holiday season, and I'll see you next week.